Hello, Nadia here at Bergey Chevrolet in Colmar, Pennsylvania. Yesterday, I got to drive one of the most rugged full-size trucks available for sale on our lot right now, and I'm so excited to show it to you. It's the 2025 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trailboss 4x4 with the legendary 5.3-liter V8 engine. If you're looking for a half-ton that's built to handle the trails, tough jobs, and daily life with serious style and muscle, the Trailboss trim should be at the top of your list. Up front, the Trailboss is easy to recognize with its C71 off-road package, which gives you that unique blacked out grille and these red recovery hooks. This truck has attitude. It's finished in Summit White, which really contrasts nicely with the black nameplates. All are part of the Trailboss's unique, bold styling. Coming around the side, you've got heated mirrors, great for visibility. You've got 20-inch gloss black wheels. Right. You'll also notice these assist steps. These are the upgraded options. They really create a nice aesthetic as well as helping you for everyday access. And yes, this is a true 4x4 with an auto track transfer case and auto locking rear differential for added traction and control when the roads get tough. At the rear, you've got Chevy's signature corner step bumper and a power release tailgate. This one includes the multi-flex tailgate, which you can fold in multiple ways to help you load. Now you can just see under this hard top tonneau cover that's included in this build that you've got a Chevy Tech spray in bed liner, LED cargo lighting, and 120 volt outlet in the bed, making this just as handy for work or fun like camping or tailgating. And speaking of tailgating, one of my favorite features on this particular build is that you actually have a kicker audio system included on your tailgate that's really going to make you stand out from other truck owners. The Trailboss stands apart with its factory 2-inch suspension lift and the Z71 off-road package, giving it extra ground clearance and real off-road capability straight from the factory. It features monotube shocks, skid plates, and hill descent control, all designed to keep you confident and in control on rough terrain. Whether you're tackling trails or you just want a more aggressive stance, the Trailboss suspension delivers. Now, let's take a look under the hood and get a look at this 5.3-liter engine that's been tested by time and has a cult following for good reason. Under the hood, this Trailboss is powered by Chevy's iconic 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8, an engine with history. This isn't some experimental powertrain. It's part of a long-running small block family that's powered millions of Chevy trucks for over 2 decades. It's known for its bulletproof reliability, simple maintenance, and excellent long-term value. With 355 horsepower and 383 pound-foot of torque, it's strong enough to tow over 9,000 pounds while still giving you responsive acceleration and power. Thanks to dynamic fuel management, it can operate on fewer cylinders when full power isn't needed, so you get better fuel economy without sacrificing performance. This one averages 16 miles per gallon combined and up to 18 miles per gallon on the highway. A solid return for a full-size 4x4 truck with this much muscle. As with all GM products, you'll find this truck's specs conveniently located on the driver's side door. Now, this one shows a GVWR of 7,100 pounds, and it's equipped with the trailering package, hitch guidance with Hitch View, and the Chevy trailering app, making hookup and towing more intuitive and safer than ever. So when it comes to hauling, this truck is ready. Let's take a look inside. Inside, you get a practical and comfortable jet black interior with heated front seats, a full center console, and dual zone climate control. The 10-way power driver seat and heated steering wheel add just the right touch of comfort for long days or cold mornings. And this one also includes the Bose premium sound system, so your playlist will sound just as strong as your exhaust note. I also want to point out the awesome power sunroof moonroof that is included in this particular build. Now that I'm in the cabin, let's turn on the engine. Ooh, she sounds nice. So tech-wise, this is fully loaded. You've got a 12.3-inch digital driver display and a 13.4-inch color touchscreen, which includes Chevy's Infotainment 3 premium system with Google built in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also get USBs throughout, including in the rear. You've also got a 120-volt outlet inside to match the one in your truck bed, and a power sliding rear window for your back window. Safety doesn't take a back seat either. This truck includes Chevy Safety Assist, which gives you automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, and front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, just to name a few. These are the features most drivers rely on every day, and they're all standard in the Trailboss. Let's take a look in the back. The back seat of this crew cab gives you a ton of space. Easy for your passengers to step up. I'm short, so I need it. You can see the 60-40 split bench seat, as well as those USBs back here, and those Bose speakers will sound beautiful for your passengers who can catch some fresh air coming out of that automatic rear window that opens up for them. Also included in this build are the Z71 all-weather floor liners. So to sum it up, this 2025 Silverado 1500 LT Trailboss 4x4 gives you off-road capability, iconic V8 performance, and a smart, comfortable cabin, all in one aggressive package. Whether you're headed into the woods or you just want to look like a badass in this truck, this is an awesome build. Thank you for watching this video. Again, I'm Nadia at Bergey Chevrolet in Colmar. Call or text me at the number listed below to see this truck in person, or stop by the dealership and ask for me. I'd love to help you get behind the wheel of your next vehicle.